bring this to a boil. It's almost there, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my pasta in. This is 1 cup of tricolored orzo. I'm gonna let it cook 7 to 8 minutes. I went ahead and strained my orzo, and I'm going to add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil. And this actually, you know, isn't the best for sauteing. You know, extra virgin is not, you know, really to cook with, but in this case, we're not gonna cook this for long because of the herbs and everything. We're just gonna toss it together and it's good to go. So what I have here is about 1/4 cup red onion. I have 1 medium-sized clove of garlic. I have some fresh chopped dill. I have some fresh chopped cilantro. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon. And this is fresh lemon. With the herbs, you know, you could go ahead and eyeball it. It's probably about 2 tablespoons each. And for the garlic, just 1 medium-sized clove, once again, and then some purple onions. So basically, you could just eyeball it all and toss it together. Very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and use some fresh lemon. If it doesn't have that much juice and it's a bit dry, you could always use the whole lemon. It just depends on, you know, how much lemon you want and your preference. So I'm going to add some fine sea salt, some cracked black pepper, I'm going to go ahead and toss this together, and we're basically almost done. You just want to warm all the herbs, let everything just kind of do its thing. Rinsed my swordfish and also gave it a pat dry with a paper towel. Trust my seasoning, okay, because this is going to be great. So I'm going to go ahead and use the steak and meat carne asada by Chef Marito. I'm going to use the steak one and the meat one instead of the poultry. I don't know if the other one's poultry and fish or if it's just poultry, but this is my go-to because it just brings out a lot of good flavors and a lot of things. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add some Old Bay seasoning. This is the lemon and herb one. I'm going to lightly salt it with some fine sea salt. And then we're going to put some pepper on it. I'm just going to quickly pat this and just get it in there. I'm going to flip it and just do the same thing to this side. Some extra virgin olive oil, not pan spray. I'm just going to go ahead and brush the pan, make sure it gets everywhere. You could use real butter if you like, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is a butter substitute. I'm going to add it to the top of my swordfish before I put it on. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic to the top of the swordfish because I don't want it to burn. So when I flip it, you're going to have the garlic on that side. I'm going to cook this swordfish about 8 to 10 minutes. It's not quite an inch thick steak, but we're almost there. So that's going to be my timing as far as the cook time. Before I take this off, I'm going to go ahead and add a bit more cracked black pepper. A touch of sea salt. And we're good to go. This came out amazing. You could toss it in a saute pan, or you could toss it on your barbecuer. Either way, you're not going to be disappointed. You're going to love it. Try it out, and I'll see you in my next video.